Hello and welcome to this brief overview of the desktop version of the WHS Management System. The system is designed to help members maintain a safe and healthy workplace and manage day-to-day WHS related activities. Both the desktop and mobile versions of the system are accessible via web browser. Here we're looking at the desktop version, which also displays on tablet devices at most screen resolutions. After login, members are directed to their workplace homepage or to a list of their workplaces if they have access to more than one, as in this example. Here, the user has full access to the information in the list view in the second workplace and restricted access to the first workplace. These permissions are controlled via the User Management module. To navigate between workplaces, select either the Workplaces link in the Greetings tab at top left of screen or via the Account area at top right. The Account area also provides access to change limited account profile details, such as the account email address, which doubles as the account username when logging in, the password, and the multi-factor authentication preferences. To change any other account details, particularly related to workplace administration, please contact your WHS system administrator. To view a workplace from the My Workplaces area, select the View icon in the Actions tab. When viewing a workplace, the name displays in the Greetings tab directly above the Module menu, seen here in its contracted state. The modules visible in the module menu vary according to membership options, workplace type, and individual user account settings. Mousing over the module icons while the menu is contracted displays the module names. Expanding the menu displays the full names directly on screen. The Workplace homepage icon, which appears permanently in the top left of the menu, returns to the Workplace homepage from everywhere within the workplace. The Workplace homepage contains links to various resources, including a view of current tasks, a calendar view of alerts and reminders, and links to the Other WHS Resources area, which contains a series of WHS related materials, including some that feature in the induction tutorial emails which are sent to new workplace administrators. Workplace administrators have access to around 20 system modules, including 4 related to contractor management and 2 related to COVID-19 management. Different modules have different purposes, which is explained in the module help notes and the module-specific video tutorials, which we strongly recommend you preview before use. While the individual controls vary from module to module, they are laid out consistently and are clearly labelled. All modules offer search and filtering options to quickly view or export existing records. Some modules contain dashboards and some modules have archives. Mousing over the Actions icon displays all the available management actions on a record-by-record basis. When adding or editing records in the system, please refer to the extensive on-screen help notes that display in key areas of the online forms, and select the green question mark icon to pop open field-specific tooltips on key form fields. Most modules allow assignment of responsibility to other users with relevant access to the workplace. To change the responsibility for a record, placing the cursor into the field displays the list of users with manager access to the module. Entering characters of the user's name or email address narrows the option for selection. Lastly, don't forget to save at the bottom of the screen when creating new records or changing existing records. For more information, please refer to the on-screen system help notes and tooltips and the module-specific video tutorials, which display either the desktop or mobile version of the tutorial based on the device you're viewing the system with. And that concludes this brief system overview of the desktop version of the WHS Management System. Thanks for watching.